The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
True or false? $2,000 can make your child's future brighter.
True.
That's right! By investing as little as $2,000 per month in the Burrita Money Market Fund, you can be financially ready to help your child get the education needed for a brighter future. Start early, and you can put aside any amount you're comfortable with. Take my advice. Call Burrita Investments today, the Burrita Money Market Fund, your tuition builder.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. NCB Capital Markets, the wealth management arm of the NCB Group, is acquiring AIC Finance Limited in Trinidad and Tobago for an undisclosed sum in what appears to be part of a regional expansion plan. Deputy CEO of NCB Capital Markets, Stephen Gooden, told the OJR that the acquisition, which is subject to regulatory approval by regulators in Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago, gives NCB Capital Markets an opportunity to further diversify its income streams. Gooden notes that the Twin Island Republic is the strongest economy in the English-speaking Caribbean and provides access to markets in the Eastern Caribbean. He also says the purchase consideration is small relative to NCB Capital Markets shareholders' equity and should be done at a discount to AIC Finance's book value. A new initiative to combat transnational crime is on the way and could be a significant fillip in the bid to have positive economic growth. Jamaica and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime today signed an MOU signaling the objectives of the signatories to implement the objectives of the World Container Program. The program was developed to counter a security gap, and as Canadian High Commissioner to Jamaica Robert Reddy says, containers carry much desired goods as well as contraband.
The Container Control Program will replace a more random approach with a rigorous risk assessment that identifies and targets suspicious containers. It also establishes joint port control units and integrates several branches of law enforcement. It is this joint effort that will be stimulated and heightened as a result of the Container Control Program, in addition to the excellent training that the men and women working in Customs, Port Authority, the JCF and JDF will receive that makes us proud to be a part of and a source of funds for this program in Jamaica.
The Jamaican leg of the Container Control Program is receiving funding from the US and Canada. Crime has been a major deterrent to investment and economic growth in Jamaica. It's estimated that if the island could bring crimes down to the levels enjoyed by Costa Rica, for example, our economy would grow by at least 5% per annum, in contrast to the negative growth now being experienced. News on the market now. There was only moderate activity on the Jamaica Stock Exchange today. Just over 1.2 million shares worth $5.2 million changed hands. Gains by Gleaner, Grace Kennedy and NCB mainly triggered moderate advances in the indices. The main JSE index advanced by 129 points, or 1/10%. 20 stocks traded, with 6 advancing, 6 declining and 8 holding firm. On the foreign exchange market, both the US and the Canadian dollars strengthened against the Jamaican dollar, whilst the British pound weakened. The benchmark American dollar gained 5 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $91.74, whilst the Canadian dollar jumped by 46 cents Jamaican to close at $92.52. Sterling lost $1.18 Jamaican to close at $146.72. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.